our topic is triangle. Before starting triangle, first of all understand collinear and non-collinear points. What is collinear points? Those points which lies on a straight line, that is called collinear points. Now here is a straight line and these points lies on a line. Point P, point A, point B, point C, point Q, all these points lies on a straight line. So these points are called collinear points. What is non-collinear points? Those points which does not lie on a straight line. वो पॉइंट जो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर लाई नहीं करते, यानी कि एक स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर नहीं आते हैं. सो here is example, point A, point B, point E, point C. When we join these points, then we cannot form a straight line. जब हम इन पॉइंट्स को आपस में ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हम एक स्ट्रेट लाइन हमें नहीं मिलेगी. सो नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स विच डज नॉट लाई ऑन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, जो पॉइंट्स एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में लाई नहीं करते हैं वो आपके क्या रहते हैं, नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. अब ये पॉइंट्स भी एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में नहीं है, सो दीज पॉइंट्स आर कॉल्ड नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. सो ट्रायंगल इज फाउंड बाय ज्वाइनिंग three non-collinear points. So what is triangle? Triangle is formed by joining three non-collinear points. Now this is three non-collinear points A, B, C. These are non-collinear points. When we join these non-collinear points, then triangle is formed. So in triangle there are three sides. Triangle में how many sides? There are three sides and three angles. In triangle there are three sides. So sides are, this is side. The name of this side is AB. Sides आपकी आ गई AB. Next is BC. This is side. And CA. These are the sides of triangle. And angles. In triangles, there are three angles. Angle A. This is angle B. ये आपका एंगल का जो है वो मार्क है, ठीक है. एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी. सो इन ट्रायंगल देयर आर थ्री साइड्स एंड थ्री एंगल. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइड एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एंगल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हियर वी डिस्कस डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एंगल. So first triangle is acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all angles are less than 90 degree. So this is the shape of acute angle triangle because here the three angles are less than 90 degree. आपके acute angle triangle में सभी angles क्या होंगे, less than 90 से कम होंगे. That triangle is called acute angle triangle. And the second is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. क्योंकि आपका right angle भी आपका 90 degree एंगल बनाता है, तो आपके right angle triangles means one angle is 90 degree. So student, this is right angle triangle because this angle is 90 degree. Next is obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle, the angle is more than 180 degree. So in obtuse angle triangle, one angle is less than 180 degree. एक एंगल आपका जो है वो कम आया and more than 90 degree. So this angle is obtuse angle, triangle, because this angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this is obtuse angle, triangle. This is all about the different types of triangle on the basis of angle. We have already discussed about different types of triangle on the basis of angle. Here we discuss about types of triangle on the basis of side. So first one is scalene triangle. In scalene triangles, all sides are different and angles are different. This is your scalene triangle because here the three sides, this one, second one and the third one, all the three sides are not same. They are not equal and the angle is not equal. All the three angles are different and the three sides are different. So this is scalene triangle. Next is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, only two sides and two angles are equal. Now, this is a triangle and in this triangle, these two sides are equal. So, this is a type of isosceles triangle. If we rotate this triangle like this is also isosceles triangle because the two sides are equal. Third is equilateral triangles. Equilateral means equal. So in equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal and the three angles are equal. In equilateral triangle, all the three angles are 60 degree. This is a equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, the three sides, 1, 2, 3. Three sides are equal and all the three angles are equal. So these are the different types of triangle on the basis of sides. But there is another triangle on the basis of side and angle. Now look at this triangle. This is a triangle where one angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree and the two sides are equal. So this type of triangle is called right isosceles triangle. We call it a combination triangle because here there is a combination of right angle triangle and isosceles triangle. So in right isosceles triangle, it has only one angle is 90 degree and two sides are equal. So its name is right isosceles triangle. So this is all about different types of triangles.